Oh my gosh.
Good morning, Park City. Good day, you guys. Welcome back to a new vlog here at SummitLife. Why are you out of breath?
I'm carrying heavy things up and down the stairs.
Loser. I'm not supposed to call him that. My mom yelled at me.
Your mom did yell at you for calling me a loser, even though I am.
Good job. We've got a lot planned on our agenda today, but first things first, we've got to clean this garage because it is filthy. Yeah. So let's pull the cars out, shall we?
Yes.
Okay. So it's been snowing nonstop for the past 2 days, so in order to pull the Ferrari out without getting stuck, we got to do a little bit of shoveling. And Sal loves when we're shoveling. Thanks, bud. Thank you. Alright. Let's pull these bad boys out. We got Bob the Builder in the house. You guys remember our last video, we asked the question where we should hang Clayton's very lovely artwork. And we decided to put it right there. So it's pretty heavy. I'm not sure how the two of us are gonna do it, but I'm sure Clayton has a plan. Look at this. He's even got the little pin in his hair.
Yeah, it's easy.
All right, let's see if the stud finder can find a stud. Oof, that's too bad.
Yeah, right? You just work from the bottom. There you go. Level.
What do you think? Do you like it?
It fits the shop a lot better than the apartment.
Yeah?
That's just a lot of hard work and balancing.
Yeah, it does look pretty good up there. Let me know what you guys think. You chose this.
Yeah, it was pretty much unanimous. It was like 100% of you guys that tuned in the comments. You wanted it right here.
Yeah, I like it. All right, now that chore is done, next on the list is taking care of something I did to the XJ. In the last video, I unfortunately backed the XJ into a tree, but luckily it wasn't too hard to find a new tailgate. So we're going to install that today, and I'm pretty sure Clayton said he's gonna make me do it because I'm the one that crashed it, so.
It's a two-person job, so we both gotta do it, but you're gonna do the majority. Luckily, it's fairly easy. It's 4 bolts and some wiring.
Oh, that doesn't sound too bad.
Yeah.
All right, pull in the XJ.
Okie dokie. You wanna open the garage door for me?
No.
Oh, I gotta pull the Cayman in.
Oh, that's right.
Yeah.
It's quite the lift you got on there.
Yeah, oh, you want me to drop it?
Yeah. Okay. Much better.
So, first things first.
Take off your cardboard job. Nice. Ready? Bam.
That's what she did. Hulk smash. Face smash.
And it shattered the whole window.
We did an ultimate punch. Ultimate punch. Should be so much blast to sweep up afterwards.
Look at all that. It's good stuff. Alrighty, so then we just gotta take these bolts out?
These two and these two. Oh, it looks like it's been taken off before. Oh, probably to paint it. But yeah, you gotta take these two.
So, first things first is we gotta remove this whole panel to access some wires, right?
Yes, the wires clips are down in here.
Okay.
So we need to pull this off, and this off. Got glass on you.
Yeah. Whoa, that's a lot of sand. Jeez.
Making slow progress here. Nice. So we just ran the new wires for the new tailgate. As you can tell, they're the things that aren't filthy dirty.
Yeah.
Look how dirty this is, guys.
That's crazy.
It's insane. So now we're unbolting the old tailgate and just lifting it off and down, and then we'll lift the new one on.
Sweet. See her. Oh, nice.
Just gotta finish the wiring, but that's pretty much what it looks like.
Sweet. Let's see what she looks like in all her glory.
Hey, it looks good.
Yeah, she looks black from here, but she's black and orange. What do you think? Do you like it? Do you like it? I'm gonna need a yes or a no. Do you like it? Yes or no? All right, so because this isn't a how-to, we're gonna skip all the boring stuff. We're gonna figure out how to wire this tailgate so it works properly, but pretty stoked. It looks pretty good. I don't feel so bad after all.
Yeah, it's just fairly easy. Yeah. It's just any door panel or whatever the alignment's the hard part.
Yeah, it's hard to align it so it shuts properly. But anyways, we're gonna finish this up and then it's on to the last thing of the day. Okay, she is officially broken in. Last but not least, nice. Oh yeah.
If you guys want stickers like this or shirts, I'm not wearing the right shirts, but if you want stickers or shirts, our merch website is in the link below. Go check it out, buy yourself a shirt, buy yourself some stickers.
Woohoo! All right, so we're gonna pull the Jeep out and pull the Ferrari in because the Ferrari is the last stop on today's video. So today is the day where we finally put the first mod on the Ferrari. Now, it may not be huge, but
it's actually a very, very small modification, but it's
we're
gonna be
really
amazing.
excited.
So we're basically fixing the stance of the Ferrari. In my opinion, there's a few Ferraris that the front end from the factory looks like it's lifted, including the 430. So it looks like it's just a little bit too high, and the wheel gap is huge. The wheels are sunken in. Today we're going to fix the sunken in wheels with some amazing wheel spacers and extended lug bolts. Okay, so we got our wheel spacers and our extended lug bolts from Ricambe, America. If you guys need parts for your Ferraris, if any of you have a Ferrari, which some of you do, definitely check out Ricambe, America. They make it so easy to find parts. I just emailed them, said I want to fix the stance. They're like, boom, these are what you need. So in the front, we're going to be doing 11mm spacers, and the part number is WS011, and that's listed right here and in the description below. And in the rear, we're doing 15mm spacers, and the part number is WS015.
And my favorite part is the little thank you note they sent. How did they know I love chocolate? How did they know?
Mr. Goodbar or Mrs. Goodbar.
I'll be over in the corner eating this.
We're going to be installing these onto the Ferrari. If any of you have ever wanted to install wheel spacers on your car, it's such a simple modification. It takes like 20 minutes, and it definitely fills out the wheel wells and makes your car look a lot more aggressive. Basically what's happening is we're gonna be taking this wheel and moving it out 11mm. May not seem like much, but it's gonna make the car look great.
Man, we're already getting down and dirty. She's gonna lift that bad boy up. Whoa, she looks a little weird lifted.
Ferrari wheel bolts. Very interesting.
Looks like a mushroom.
Yeah. All right.
Nice.
Wow, look how skinny those wheels are.
Yikes.
Wow, those are so skinny.
Those
Whoa.
are really skinny.
What size are these? 225s in the front. That's very skinny. You could go way wider than that. So what wheel spacers do is it's basically just a spacer that sits on the hub just like this, and then you mount the wheel on top of it and it just pushes the wheel out. Super, super simple, cheap mods. We're bringing the wheel 11 millimeters further away from the wheel hub, which means we need wheel bolts that are 11 millimeters longer. And Ricambe America also has those. They're brand new. These are a little old and dinged up. Brand spanking new ones.
And they are part number X276320R19R8.
Wow, that's a long one.
It's a mouth filler.
Yeah, but now you know. So
Now we
these
know.
are the extended lug bolts for the front, because these only need to be 11 millimeters longer. The rear are 15 millimeters longer.
Wow. Let's compare these bad boys. Oh, snap.
See?
That's you, and that's me. There's no way you found that funny.
One more thing I want to add, these wheel spacers are definitely like the higher end ones. They're called hub centric. And what that means is they will only fit on this hub. They'll fit on perfectly centered. That way there's no wobble. We won't have to rebalance anything. They're only go on one way and then the wheel sits on this hub. Definitely if you're gonna do spacers, hub centric is literally the only option. If it's not hub centric, don't do it.
Boom, that wheel is done. Now we're gonna do the rear.
Yep, and then we'll switch over to the driver's side. Oh, now that's a tire.
That's a more meaty tire. That's what I'm talking about.
What size are these? 285. They could still go wider, definitely.
So we've got the stock bolt, we've got the front bolts, which are 11 millimeters, and then we've got the rear bolts, which are 15 millimeters. So that's pretty cool to compare. Also, the rear bolt part numbers are X276720R19R8.
All right, Faith, you're on this one.
Okay, I hope I don't mess up.
No, you won't mess up. I believe in you. Nope.
I'm already messing up. Oh, bam.
Easy as that. Now put the wheel on.
There's the, I can do this. I can do this. I'm gonna need a little help.
Okay.
It's so easy a caveman can do it.
Nice.
What?
I said nice. It was a nice joke. That's a good one.
Bam! It's done.
Oh man, it already looks so much better.
Dang, that looks a lot better. It's subtle, but especially the back tires. The back tires look super good.
Yeah, it looks a lot better.
I agree, the fronts could come out a little bit more, but as for right now, they look awesome. And that was pretty much the quickest and easiest mod I've ever done. Shall we go on to the driver's side?
Let's do the driver's side. Nice, that was like 3 minutes.
But I did it.
Yeah.
Woohoo! Nice. It's pretty hard to notice a difference on camera, but I assure you, it looks a lot better. Especially the rears. Oh, that looks so much better. Woohoo! Yes.
It's very subtle, but I like subtle mods.
We like subtle mods.
Yeah.
We don't like in your face, like look what we do to our car. We like
Even though our car's purple.
Oh yeah, well we lost a bet, but you know we want the car to look good, and people try and figure out why it looks good, but like they can't figure it out.
It just looks better than regular, but
Yeah.
it doesn't look different.
Yes.
Yeah.
If that makes sense. I think that was a pretty productive day.
I know, we got the
hung
giant mural. Also, my buddy Stefan is the guy that took this photo. If you guys want to go follow him on Instagram, he takes amazing shots, and he's always shooting with the Stradman. He just did the other day. Go check him out. Link is in the description below.
Yeah, we checked 3 things off our list. We hung the art piece, we fixed the poor XJ, and we did a mod on the Ferrari.
Yeah.
Yeah! Oh my gosh, it looks so good.
Looks a lot more proper.
Yes, it looks, oh yay, I'm so excited. So, the mods don't end here though. We've got quite a few more plans with the Ferrari along the lines of this, you know, subtle mods that make it look proper and
right.
But yeah, stay tuned for all of those videos. They should be coming up soon.
Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss them.
We also have some fun plans this week. We are going on a Jeep Jamboree to
Hurricane, Utah.
So stay tuned for that as well, and we will see you in the next video.
Peace.